Welcome to this incredible cube-shaped tiny home. With its modern exterior, this unique home sits perfectly on a solid concrete foundation, blends seamlessly with the lush green landscape around it. A wooden deck and staircase lead to the entrance, inviting you into a space where compact living meets stunning design. Ready to explore this one-of-a-kind tiny home? Let's step inside. Welcome to this beautifully designed, well-lit room where simplicity meets functionality in a perfectly balanced square layout. Every detail in this space has been thoughtfully crafted to create a warm, inviting, a practical living environment. From the large window that floods the room with natural light to the built-in storage solution. This room is the perfect example of how a compact space can still feel open, airy, and luxurious. As soon as you step into the room, you will immediately notice how bright and welcoming the space feels. The light wood interiors enhance the natural warmth, giving the room a clean and modern aesthetic. The large window allows plenty of natural light to pour in, making the room feel even more spacious and refreshing. Whether it's daytime or night, the well-placed artificial lighting ensure a cozy and well-illuminated atmosphere at all times. On one side of the room, you will find a compact yet fully functional kitchen that seamlessly blends into the overall design. The glass window near the kitchen not only brings in additional natural light but also provides a beautiful view while cooking. The sleek countertops, modern cabinets, and efficient use of the space making this kitchen a dream for anyone who loves cooking in a cozy yet stylish environment. Adjacent to the kitchen, there's a small dining table perfect for enjoying meal, working, or having coffee while gazing out the window. Despite its compact size, this table creates a dedicated dining area that feels both intimate and functional. The light wood finish of the table matches the overall aesthetic, ensuring a seamless flow throughout the room. A small, a small yet comfortable sofa sits perfectly within the square layout, creating a cozy lounge area for relaxation. Whether you are watching TV, reading a book, or just unwinding after a long day, this spot provides a comfortable escape without taking up too much space. The positioning of the sofa near the large window also allows for a refreshing experience as you can relax while enjoying the natural light and outdoor views. The room also features a single bed with built-in cabinets, offering a perfect balance of comfort and functionality. The clever storage design ensures that there's plenty of space to keep essential neatly organized without cluttering the room. The light wood finish of the bed complements the overall warm aesthetic, making the sleeping area feel cozy and integrated seamlessly with the rest of the space. The wooden flooring adds a touch of natural elegance, making the room feel warm and inviting. It enhances the cozy ambience while maintaining a sleek and modern look. The combination of wooden texture, natural tones, and minimalist design make this space both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. This well-lit like wood interior room is a perfect example of smart space utilization, proving that a small square layout can still feel spacious, cozy, and luxurious. With its large window, functional kitchen, small dining table, relaxing sofa, and smart built-in storage solution, this space is designed for both comfort and practically. With its wooden paneling on the walls and ceiling, this bathroom has a warm spa-like ambience that make every visit feel like a retreat. The combination of natural texture, soft lighting, and sleek fixture ensure that this space is not just functional but also visually stunning. On the left side of the bathroom, you will find a modern white toilet carefully positioned for both comfort and efficient use of space. The wall-mounted toilet paper holder adds to the streamlined look, keeping the area clutter-free. This minimalist setup enhances the open and spacious feel of the bathroom, proving that small details make a big difference in design. Adjacent to the toilet is the glass enclosed shower area featuring both rainfall shower head and a handled shower head. This luxurious setup allows for refreshing and customizable shower experience. Whether You prefer the relaxing sensation of rainwater cascading down or the convenience of a handled option. The transparent glass walls help maintain the open feel of the space while keeping water contained, ensuring both style and practically. At the heart of the bathroom, the sink area is a true statement piece. The rectangular mirror above the sink is softly illuminated with warm lighting, creating a cozy and inviting glow. This thoughtful lighting choice enhances the ambience and makes daily routines, like getting ready in the morning or winding down at night, much more enjoyable. The sink itself is made of a light colored stone or concrete material, blending seamlessly with the natural wood elements. The texture finish of the sink adds a touch of organic beauty, while its smooth, modern shape keeps the design sleek and refined. The combination of natural and industrial elements give the bathroom a perfect balance of warmth and modernity. On the right side, a large window allows natural light to flood the space, making the bathroom feel bright and airy. This natural illumination enhances the texture of the wooden paneling and polished concrete floor, bringing out their beauty in a way that artificial light alone cannot. The floor made of polished concrete or a similar material adds a subtle contrast to the wood tones, giving the space a modern and contemporary edge while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. This bathroom is a perfect example of how modern aesthetic and natural elements can come together to create a peaceful, stylish, and functional space. From the wooden paneling and warm lighting to the glass enclosed shower and elegant sink, every detail has been carefully designed to offer comfort and sophistication. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and a synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful inspiration and ideas, especially about the tiny home and interior tiny home itself. Okay, so would you love to live in a room like this? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and share this channel. And thanks for watching until the end and just wait for my video in the next content. Thank you. Have a good day.